Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Moonpay. So first of all, you have to just visit this website which is called Moonpay here. Just go to Google and search for Moonpay and you have to log in into this Moonpay. On the top right, you will get an option of sign in or sign up, so just click on any one of them. If you have an account, then you can just log in into Moonpay. If you don't have, you have to make an account here. Now, once you have logged in into your Moonpay, you have to access your Moonpay account. So basically, navigate to your wallet section, and there is typically found in the main menu a dashboard. So once you have logged in, you will get an option of main menu or dashboard, and look for an option to withdraw funds, right? And here you will get an option of withdraw, transfer, similar stuff. And once you have selected your preferred withdrawal method, Moonpay usually support bank transfer, cryptocurrencies, and another payment method. So choose any one which suits you best. Now provide the necessary details for the withdrawal for a bank, such as this may include your bank account information. You will need to provide the receiving wallet address and also enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that the amount is within any minimum or maximum limit set by the Moonpay. Review the details of your withdrawal to ensure everything is correct. Now confirm it. Now wait for processing. It's take a little bit of time and sometimes few days, right? Cryptocurrencies transfers are usually faster. So you can check the status of withdrawal in the transaction history or section of your Moonpay account. You may also receive an email notification about the status of your transferring. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.